An anterior drawer test is used to assess if the patient's anterior cruciate ligament is sprained or torn. The test doesn't require any additional equipment aside from a comfortable flat surface the patient can lie down on. Anyone who expresses pain after doing the following can have the test conducted on them: stops or changes direction of their body suddenly, land a jump wrongly, or take a hit in the knee. Medical practitioners who may find our anterior drawer test useful are the following: doctors, physical therapists, sports therapists, orthopedic doctors. To use our free anterior drawer test, follow these steps. Download our free test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Here are step-by-step instructions on how to conduct the drawer test. Lie the patient on their back in a relaxed supine position. Test the uninjured side first. Flex their hip to 45 degrees, then flex their knees 90 degrees. Ensure that their foot is flat on the surface. Sit on their foot to keep it still. Grasp the bent knee with your thumbs in front of the knee and tuck your fingers behind the knee. There is a diagram to guide you in our worksheet. Gently pull the tibia forward and check how far it moves. Repeat steps 3 to 7 on the injured side and compare. Next, write down the results and interpret. Aside from the instructions, we've also included a table to complete with sprain levels and their corresponding translation amount to make interpretation easier for you. You simply have to tick the checkbox beside the translation you observed during your test. Should you have any additional notes, we've also provided space at the bottom of the test results table, where you can write other observations or comments. To score the test, these are the grades. We have grade 0, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. If the client gets a grade of 2 or 3, it means that the patient's drawer test is positive, which means the integrity of their ACL is compromised. Here is a sample of our anterior drawer test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our anterior drawer test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.